What if I told you that reading just 5 books could make you as wealthy as Warren Buffett? Yep, the Oracle of Omaha himself recommends these for 2025. And trust me, they're game changers. Before you dismiss this as just another reading list, let me tell you, Buffett credits his success, worth over $100 billion, to knowledge compounding. Let's dive in. Putting together a reading list. The first book on Buffett's must-read list is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Think of this as your personal manual for mastering the stock market. Okay. Buffett says this book taught him the golden rule. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. Wouldn't you want that wisdom before your next big financial move? Next up, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Why? Because if you don't master your habits will master you. If you've been procrastinating on taking action, this book will give you the blueprint to finally make it happen. Want to unlock the secrets of analyzing any business like a billionaire? Buffett swears by security analysis. This one's not for the faint-hearted, but hey, no pain, no gain, right? Fourth is Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. It teaches you to understand how your mind works, because if you don't, your emotions could cost you big time. And finally, Buffett's best-kept secret, Poor Charlie's Almanack. This is like sitting down with Buffett's right-hand man, Charlie Munger, for a coffee chat on life, success, and investing. So there you have it. Buffett's top 5 books to make 2025 your breakout year. Start with just one and watch your life transform. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button, because success loves company. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Subscribe for more secrets to success, and let's make 2025 your richest year yet.